Hi, I'm Jo. I'm a blogger and occasional video maker from New Zealand. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a really simple, messy pull-through braid. You'll need a hairbrush and lots of stretchy elastic hair ties. Start by sectioning off hair from either side of your head. Tie it with one of your elastic hair ties and pull it tight before flopping it forward over your face. Make another small ponytail using hair from underneath your last pony. Pull it tight. Split your top ponytail in half and place it either side of your second pony. Now flop the second ponytail over your head and tie up the two halves of the first ponytail, adding more hair as you go. Remember to pull it tight. Now split the top ponytail in half and flop the bottom ponytail over your head. Tie up the two halves of the ponytail and add more hair from around the sides of your head. Basically, just follow the same process all the way down your hair. Just split, flop and tie. And remember to add little sections of hair with it, like you would if you were doing a French braid. Before you work on the lengths of your hair, pull your braids sideways to puff them out a bit. For the lengths of your hair, follow the same strategy, only you don't have to add any extra pieces of hair. Just remember, split, flop and tie. At the end, just pull the braids again just to make them look nice and full and a little bit messy. And that's it. It's a really simple 5-minute hairdo. Please remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.